So till now we have seen credit sales like your regular OTC, order delivery billing, and after that we have seen quotation to cash, order delivery billing, extra quotation will come, sales return we have seen. See, let me put the moment type for this 601 for stock removal. This is 653. Yesterday we got some issue because of some of the student changed it to 651. That is the only difference. Let's try to check DIN. Okay, this is the item category for service actually. So it's like regular your order only. Okay, but you don't have billing. Service means you are giving the service delivery. For example, any technician comes. Okay, he came, he has done some repair. For that, per hourly you supposed to charge it. Okay, that is one service material. For example, you have one service from your bank side, like giving loan or else issuing credit card, anyhow, that is deliverable material card itself. Or else the service, if you call about that, the service is this one. Or else if you go to like if you take financial sector or insurance sector, there you don't have any physical product. If you take any insurance or something like that. Okay, so such cases you will have a billing, service billing will be there. That is order related billing. Okay, so order related billing, what it will be and how it will be, that we are going to see now. Okay, let's see this. Let's keep this one. Okay, since you don't want to remove the stock, there is no stock removal, then you don't have any movement type. First create service material in SAP. Let's come here, mm01, same transaction. Okay, okay, SAP got disconnected. Let me try to reconnect again. So let's come to SAP. Let me share the screen again. So now we create one service material. So let's take, so let me take, you may take, this is service provider or something like that. Telecommunication, retail, I'm just checking. Any service industry is there. So someone kept like, some kind of education service. Let's take this one. So education is also one of the example. See, DIN is the service. This is the material type. Let's press enter. Okay. So since we don't have this one, you need not require purchasing. You need not require MRP tabs. Okay. So let's come here. Let's remove all these MRP tabs. Okay. You don't require all these things actually. Okay, so let's try to, you don't require any calculation. Okay, let's keep it like this, and this is fine, I think. Okay, you don't have classification and all. Let's press enter. Okay, so some kind of I'm just creating from education side additional tuition. Okay, additional tuition, and we're providing from school side or college side or any education sector side. For that, hourly we are doing. Okay, if you see this, this is the item category group, LEIS. Okay, press enter, press enter. Okay, let's put the plant, means that is educational institution, we can call it. Okay, so if you would like to create, you can create your own material group also, education side, but this service again taxable. Okay, Let's keep our account assignment category, any one of it. This is fine. Let's press enter. Okay. Now come here. Okay. Separate tuition hours for external students and institutional students. That means it is in-house and external also. Let's press enter and let's save this service. Okay. So now created this service material. Let's come here. So you can able to take any one of the service. If you are working for SAP, also implemented for banks and insurance and other service related industry, like suppose if any technician is going for manufacturing for hourly work also, they can able to do this. Let's come here. So VK11. So our base price, let's try to put it. So customer, I'm taking him. So let's take not this one, our service material. So maybe I'm taking like so you can see 3 euros per hour I'm charging. Okay. So now let's try to create a sales order. So let's take this one. So for this person, I'm just taking this new material. I'm just taking one quantity. Okay, 1 hour. If you look at here, the item category is TAD. Okay, so let's go to incomplete log. Okay, now let's try to create a bill actually. So not processed. Some log is coming. Let's see this. No error log is created. Okay, per hour. Let's check the doc flow. Okay. Now let's go and check the item category. So this is for service. What it talks about, someone kept all this billing relevance I. Someone has changed actually. Someone is playing with this. So that's why you didn't get it. Let's keep it order related. Let's remove this billing plan. So if you see this, you don't have cost. Okay, specifically for this, but credit will be active. So like whether credit is active for this customer means like how much maximum amount we can able to allow. Okay, schedule lines allowed. Okay, so let's try to save this. So let's try to go back. Okay, so item type also changed. Value item, text item. Okay, let's try to put it. Okay, value item, it is TAW. Okay, let's save this. Now let's try to do the bill now. So what is the log? No error log created. 1 second, let me check. Okay, item category also correctly determined. Okay, let me go back and check. VTFA. If someone removes like source and target also, it won't work. Let me check the copy controls. So before that, let me open the document. Let me share the screen. Our document is, oh, we have taken war JEDWAR1. Okay, JEDWAR1. If you see, order related billing is this one. Okay, triple G1. Okay, so there should be copy control available for here. Let's check the standard. Standard is F2 and your document type is OR. Let's try to copy. Okay, here is JEDWAR1. So it is triple G1. Okay, let's press enter. Already exists, there is no issue. Let me check then. So ours is JEDWAR1. So it is GG1. Okay, let's come here. Let's check the item. Okay, let's click the header and let's try to click the item now. So here it should be available TAD, otherwise you don't know. Okay, TAD is available, then this is fine. Let me go back and try to check order which document type we have created. This is OR we have taken. Okay, I got it. So now let's try to, our document type is JEDWAR1. For OR might be standard settings was missing. Let's come here. Okay, no item category is available for JEDWAR1. Okay, now let's go to Vivo V6. Okay, sorry, Vivo V4. Okay, now go to new entries. Our sales document type is JEDWAR1. Okay, so this is standard means norm. So what you have to take? LEIS, service for delivery. Okay, so I'm just taking item category as TAD, service. Okay, so previously we have deleted. Why specifically I have deleted these settings? Because I wanted to show all these things. Because if you have settings, don't know from where it is determined. Now if you click this, if you press enter, If you come here, let's press enter. Okay, so you got your TAD. Now go to schedule lines. So your CD got determined. Let's try to do the billing now, how system behaves. Okay, so now the bill is created, invoice. So this is your order related billing. Okay, let's try to save this. Okay, now we'll see the accounting entries for accounting document if it is generated. Let's click this. Okay, same story like your order only. Customer account will be debited, revenue account will be credited. Okay, this is all about your service order. So what is the difference if you go to Vivo V8? Okay, so if you go to Jedvo R1, okay, same document I have used. If you want, we can copy and we can separately create in real time. So we can copy and we can able to use it for order related billing. The same thing I can able to use it delivery and this thing also, service also. Okay, I don't require separate document type. If it is customer specific, then you have to make all these changes. So then go to Vivo V6. So what is that? Yours is CD, schedule and category without delivery. You can see that means service. So you don't have all these tick marks. It's just like dummy. Okay, no availability, nothing is there. It's not stock, right? It's just service for that matters. So now let's go back to the Excel. We have finished the service order DAN, or you don't have delivery, there is no moment type. This is all about your service order. Now let's try to understand cash sales. Okay, so till now we have seen cash sales. See, credit means like based on your payment terms, as I told you yesterday, 45 days or 50 days or 20 days, or else some percentage you are giving as a cash credit discount if invoice is immediately settled down. But cash sales is immediately created. Cash sales, we'll call it as a counter sales. Okay, another term. So what is this cash sale? For cash sale, the item category is BVN. Okay, let's try to delete this stuff. See, cash sales is the process you can able to create it not only for your retail industry. If required, it will be there, like the cash will be paid immediately. If the stock is available, then only we'll process the cash sales. Actually, suppose if you went to Big Bazaar, you put all different kind of things in the basket, and you went to the counter, then you said that boss, I will pay tomorrow. They won't agree. Okay, so but if distributor is taking the stock from Dhruvan Foods, then distributor might pay back after a couple of months. That's not an issue because they know the distributor. They can able to identify the customer. Cash sales, most of the times it will be like one time customer, or else your normal customers also. The question doesn't matter whether they have the database or not, but they have to pay immediately. Okay, for cash sales, there is a document called CS or BV. So you have a delivery document type called BV, and again your billing will be there. Okay, so let's see BV or F2. Let me show you what is the difference between cash sales and rush order that we are going to see another few minutes. First, let's try to understand what is cash sales. So let's go to document type definition. Let's press enter. So let's press BV. Okay, CS or BV, it will be saved, no worries. The same document category, everything is fine. You will find a couple of differences here. Cash sales. So one is your shipping condition should be 10. So that means it will be created immediately, and your delivery created immediately. When it will be created, if the stock is available, then only immediate delivery will be created. Okay, These are the two differences. Let's come to your item category. Vivo V6, sorry, Vivo V7. Let's go to the BVN. This is casuals item. See, this is order related billing. Like when you go to the counter, immediately delivery anyhow it will be there in your basket. So bill with once you pay the cash, bill will be generated. So they will click one button, whatever the machine they will use, that is called POC, point of sales machine. Okay. So if these orders also won't be saved in SAP, the casuals document type, you can see everything is the same. Only thing is that it is order related billing. So let's try to check the schedule and category. Vivo V6. So where is your BV? See, if you see, there is nothing to check. Okay, for casuals, Vivo V5. If you come, so there is something called BVN for your schedule and categories. So you will have same deterministic MRP. CP will be there. Let's try to check how to create casuals. If you'd like to create casuals, first you require a determination. So let's come here, ZOR1. Okay, we don't have anything for casuals. So let's go to the new entries, ZOR1, your norm standard product. So item category will be PVN. Okay, so don't use this one. Let's use CS. CS you can copy and you can able to use it. The entry already exists means it is a standard, right? It's already available. Let's try to check CS. Okay, CS norm B1 is available. So this is for free good item category. Here you have 10 for your regular order, TANN, BV, BVNN. Okay, so this is the free usage. This we have already seen in your free goods item category. So now let's try to create casuals. Before that, let me check MMBE. So this is the service material. We don't want it. So we'd like to check the stock. Maybe if I check this, some stock is available 210. Let's try to reutilize the same material for casuals what we have created yesterday. Let's come here. So let's try to check this material, maybe some 50 quantity. So what is the difference I told you? So let's go to the customer first. So it should be immediate delivery. Let's go to sales area data. Let's come to shipping. Your shipping condition should be 10 for immediate delivery. Okay. Your document type will be marked with immediate delivery. Let's save this. Now let's try to create CS. So it is not there. Let's go and try to maintain permit this document type for our sales area. Okay. Let me share the screen. So let's go to the new entries. So it is reference sales document type is CS. Sorry, reference sales organization is 2727. Let's come here 27. For this also 27. So it's casuals. Okay. Let's save this. Now let's create the cache shells. Let's check. Some systems will give trouble. So let's see this practice system, whether it works or not. Okay, so same thing. You can able to see your cache shells document here. CS. Let's go and check incomplete log. Oh, shipping point determination for this document type we required. So let's try to check. Go to reference ing, because 10 we have taken, right? That's why it's coming, this error. Let's come to sales and distribution. Okay, sorry, logistics execution, shipping, basic shipping functions. So shipping point and good receiving point determination. Let's click on SN shipping points. Go to new entries. So our shipping conditions is 10. So let's take this. Our plant is this. So preference shipping point also this. Let's save this. So this is what we have done now. Let's try to check. Our shipping point is determined for the plant which we have taken. Let's press enter. We double click here. Go to shipping. So your shipping point came. So let's go to schedule lines. So quantity is determined for today's date. It won't wait for tomorrow. Okay. That's the beauty of cache shells. Let's save this. See, delivery document created. We're lucky in this practice system. So delivery document will be created immediately because of immediate check mark in document type definition. Let's go to, let's go to VL02N. See, this is the delivery it is, which is already created. So let's go and check the picking. Okay. So let's put this and let's do the post goods issue, and let's click VF01 and try to create a bill. Okay. So account determination error it will come because for cache shells we haven't used our account determination procedure. By default standard will be there. Let's try to change our what we have created. Okay, that's it. Now let's try to post the bill. Oh, we have already created. Go to VF02. Let's try to release. So still getting some error. Let's go to environment, account determination analysis, revenue account. Okay, if you see this is fine. So then what is the error? So let's try to release. We're getting this error. So let's try to go to EFX3. This is the transaction where people sometimes SD level also will try to analyze this. So we have given the document here. We'll try to release. So we can able to see the log. We are lucky sometimes. If it's standard error, then we can able to find. We cannot able to find it. What it is saying. Some error for cache shells. Okay. So let's try to check Vivo FA first. Let's go to BV for cash sales. So this is the one. See, you try to understand one more thing here. For cash sales, you will have this cash clearing account will be there. Generally, if you go to regular sales, revenue account will be there. Okay. Your cash account will be credited, customer account will be debited in cash sales. Okay. If you'd like to cancel the document, you have to use this cancellation. Okay. S1 will be there for your F2. For BV will be there SV. Okay. Now let me try to create this cash shells. Maybe output is not determined because we haven't done our output determination. So let's try to do the bill directly. Okay, still we are getting the log. What is this log all about? Order quantity is not equal to goods issue pieces. Okay. A02, press enter. So let's check delivery document created or not for this. Okay, let's go to the cash shell document. So let's go to the change mode. Currently being processed. Let me close other windows. So let's do the picking. It's not releasing to accounting document. Generally cash shells account determination will be there. Let's try to check our BV with standard. VKOA is the standard transaction for your account determination. Let's try to do this. So let's go back. Let's try to copy. KOFK. Let's take our charter of accounts as INT. So ours is, let's take this distributors. Let's take This one has A2. So let's skip this entry. Save this. Let's check this, how it works. I'm just canceling the billing document. Let's try to check. VA 02. Let's check the document flow. Okay. Let's try to save this. Still getting some error. Some problem with account determination. So for this, S1 distributor is coming. Let's go and check item level. This is A1. Let's try to change it to A2. Let's save this. Still getting some error. So no GL account. This. Okay. Let's try to release this now. Okay. Now press enter. So this is S1 and A2. A2. Let's try to check our settings. So go to the sales org 1 and 2. This is A1. That is fine. VKOA. Let's come here. V KOAFI INT 2727. Okay. Go to the new entries. V KOAFI. I have done for controlling. That's why we didn't get. Let's go to this one. This is S1. This is A1. This is ERL. Just do it for revenue. Okay, same thing. Let's copy this. INT. Let's do it this one. Again, distributor. Let's do it for A1. ERL. Okay, let's come here. Again, distributor. So A1. ERS. This is deduction. A2 for ERS. So previously I have done controlling. That's why it has shown error. So now let's try to do release again. Okay. At least determination will be happens. So let's come to environment, account determination analysis, revenue accounts. So now the GL account is determined correctly. Okay. So it has to post it this. Since this account is not a cash account, that's why it is not posting. Why? Because it should be like, your what do you call, this is revenue account. Okay. So cash account, we can able to create it. So like I just need to find it out. SC16. So generally finance people will give in real time. So see that cash account is like, different kind of settings will be there for cashiers. So let me check. Vivo VBRK. Let's try to utilize the JL account which already created. So don't give any procedure and all those things. Billing type, I'm giving CS. Let's run this. Okay. So it should be BV. That is a document type level. Oh, we only created. Let's try to check these documents someone has created. So we'll just trying to find out the JL account if it is posted. Okay. Something got cleared. Let's try to check this accounting document. Display the document, go to accounting document. So BV cash sales. So let's go to the environment to do the revenue accounts. Eight 5 zeros KYFI. KYFI INT 2727. Let's type this. Oh, this GL account is not available. Okay, let me change the screen. So here, environment, I'm just checking the GL account, standard GL account, because for INT it might not be there. Let me open this. This is our document also, and let's go to Vivo V. How come no entries? Billing type, I need to put it. $85. Let's try to extend this one. So this is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Might be available in 1000. Okay. Let's copy this. 2727. So for cash account, they will create the account. Someone might have changed the standard settings. Let's check. Control data. All these are finance actually. So let's try to do it. Maybe I can choose clearing account. Let's check this. Clearing or cost accounts, it might work. Let me share the screen for GL accounts. Press enter. Let's try to post now. If it works, then it is fine. See, if you use standard procedure, anyhow, it automatically will post. But on instead, let's save this. Immediate delivery will be created. So PV is coming. Let's save this. Still, we are getting some error. Some unknown error. See, it is determining current GL account. The only problem with this, it is determining current GL account, but it is somehow it is not releasing to this particular GL account. Some issue with this, maybe chart of accounts or something like that. Okay, anyhow, Cash settlement account will be credited, revenue account will be debited by doing this. Bill will generate, 1 second. See, cash sales invoice will be printed immediately, right? Let's press enter this. So just manually determining, we haven't done output determination till now. Let's try to do this. This is for number of messages, means how many bill copies you want it. Let's try to save this. Okay. So and let's go and try to check issue output. See, this is how your bill will be generated. Okay. See, company name, see, brand Q Limited, the customer name, right? Reference number. Okay. See, when you maintain output determination, it will come automatically. Okay. Since we haven't went so far for output determination, so let's try to release this again, but still getting error. Let's try to cancel this. So for canceling, so canceling it is happening. Let me check conditions if anything is missing. Everything is coming. Let's go and check item level. Let's try to save it. Okay. This is a problem with GLA counter, nothing else. Someone might have changed some settings. So since we are not from FI, internal settings we don't know, but we'll give a try. So even it is not going to the clearing accounts. See, cash settlement account will be there. Let's try to check. This is a problem if you change the standard setting. That's fine. Like you can as of now you can able to take G001. Okay, you can keep it general. Let's try to save this. Let's check. Let's try to edit Tax category, let me try to put it star. So all these are FA settings. If you made any changes, it will be problem at standard level also. Okay, let it be. Let's save this. Okay, no problem. Press enter. Only releasing is problem is happening for this item. Okay. This is all about your cash shells. Let's try to see rush order. There we can able to post our billing document or not. Okay. The main difference between cash sales item category and TAN item category, if you see, billing relevance will be a delivery related billing. Okay. When you go to the cash counter, once they punch it, so they will give the bill immediately. When you save the order, right, automatically bill should be generated. Okay. This is called order related billing. So that's why you have a B. So otherwise, if you come to the TAN, so it should be delivery related. This is the only difference. When it comes to document type, okay, regular is what your JEDWO R1 we are using for our sales. Like, cash sales, it need to be paid immediately. If you see, you don't have immediate delivery and you don't have shipping conditions from here. Okay. Now, if you go to if you go to the document type BV, cash sales, CS, BV or CS, some systems will be there BV. So delivery document type will be BV. Okay. For cash sales, you have immediate delivery is there. That's why you don't have LF. Separate BV will be there. Okay. This is the difference. So you have shipping conditions at document type level, it will be doing. Either you can able to do the delivery related billing or order related billing. It depends. Like, BV is your cash sales. Now, let me try to check OVLP. So cash sales, let's assume we don't put relevant for picking. What it will happen, so you can see. So let's go to order CS. Let's press enter. Okay. Now let's try to do the immediate delivery. Means when I save this, delivery document will be created automatically. Okay. Previously for order delivery, you are creating it's a separate transaction. Now go to VL02N because that's why we're going change mode. Since see, while saving order only, say your delivery document is created. Let's do the post goods issue. Right? This is one of the key setting. Okay. Cash sales, because when you are keeping the stock in your box and you're doing, you need not do the picking also. Okay. Let's go to the inventory. So now what is the current stock? I will re-show you. 148 is there. Okay. Now let's try to create the sales order. One more cash sales order. So let's take this. Let's try to take some 50 goods. Okay. Let's save this. See, delivery number it is created. Previously 203. Now VL02N. Okay. Let's do the post goods issue. Okay. It's done. Is here done. So you see the document flow. This is done. Now let's go to MMBE. So 148 stock is reduced. You're not going to do any picking actually. But a standard, see, this is the practice system. People will change it. This is the same system. People will play with this. So picking, actually, you don't have. But whereas TAN, you have a picking is there. So if you come to TAN, you are picking from your storage location. So customer is only taking and keeping in his basket and pushing towards your point of sales. So that's why you don't have that one. It's not relevant for picking. So if someone asks an entry, you have to tell the difference. What is the difference between your regular sales order and cash sales? You have to tell all these two. Okay. Now let's do the bill actually. How system behaves. See, some account determination error is coming. UF02 on release. Let's see the doc flow. So it is showing it is completed, but account determination error is coming. Maybe because of some GL account settings actually. Okay. This is all about casuals.